It is Thursday, October 5th. And let's talk about a Rasta hat, right? We're sticking with our Christmas quick theme, right? Quick with like a upscale edge, right? So let me suggest my Rasta colors that I have. I got in new pom-poms, new Fox Pompom. You know I love a pom-pom. Takes an ordinary hat to extraordinary. So first I got in this hunter green. I mean, just delicious. And let's pair it with Immortal, shall we? So Rasta is $28 a skein. The pom-poms are $38. You cannot argue that that isn't amazing. All right. My next pom-pom is mustard. It's brown mustard. It is not yellow mustard. It is brown mustard, but I love it. And it goes perfectly with this one, which is Molina. Love Molina. Or it goes with Piedras. Piedras. Excellent with Piedras. Gorgeous. All right, my next pom-pom is fuchsia. Fuchsia. Check it out. And it is Arco Iris's perfect match. Check it out. Can't lose. Cannot go wrong with the purple. This royal purple. Love, love, love it. And this is a new Rasta called Boomerang. And it is perfect for Boomerang. I'm telling you, I gotcha. I gotcha. So now let me just show you a few suggestions. There are multitudinous hats for Rasta or any super bulky. So this is the perky little hat. I think it's a free pattern. Might be a $3 or $4 or $6. I can't remember. So this one is made with one skein of Rasta, and we made a Rasta pom-pom, which one skein made this hat. So this is the perky little hat. This one is a crocheted hat, northbound beanie. Northbound beanie. And this is the, I think this is the gold pom-pom. Northbound. So if you're a crocheter, love that. This one, I don't know the name of it, but I like it. We can figure it out. 2 colors. So fun. This one is another crochet. This one is Marguerite Shell Stitch Beanie, also crocheted, right? This is an alpaca hat from Toft. Pom-pom from Toft. So it's a 2 color, although you can do it in 1 color. So this is a crochet. And last but not least, this one is Kaleidoscope. 2 colors. And when you do the 2 colors, you can make the reverse. So if you do the brim out of one, you do the brim out of the other. So, and that's just a few of the not millions, but multitudinous patterns for Rasta on Ravelry. So do not miss my pom-pom celebration. Awesome. All right, Allison and I are packed and ready to go to Lake Junaluska tomorrow for our big retreat with Ann Weaver. We're excited. If you're going, I can't wait to see you there. It will be so fun. So looking forward to it. I am taking a bunch of yarn with me, so things that have not been in the shop yet will be new, fresh, and exciting at the show, and then I will bring them back as new, fresh, and exciting for the store. So it's all good. I'll look forward to it. It'll be a quiet weekend. It'll be a fun weekend, but you will not be hearing from me Friday, Saturday, or Monday. I don't get home until Monday evening. So, end of story. I will catch you up on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.